not the only discovery.
Okay, and this is the end of a fabulous period. This is the last physics field of the year, and now it's going. We have just dumped the beam, the last physics field of this run. That was the 2012-2013 run. That accidentally is also the last physics field for the 3 years period before the long shutdown one.
A collision energy of 8 tera-electron-volts was enough for the LHC to find a new particle. But that's not the maximum energy the LHC was designed for. For the LHC to reach its nominal energy of 14 tera-electron-volts, extra work is now needed that was not carried out after the incident in 2008.
Here we are in SM18, which is the LHC magnet factory, and a number of the magnets around us here will be going down into the tunnel in LS1 to replace magnets in the LHC machine. However, that's not the main activity of LS1. The main activity is the consolidation of all the splicing interconnects between the magnets, between all the magnets in the machine. This is these small connections here, these pieces of superconducting wire, which are being upgraded, and the connections between them are being clamped to ensure that there could be no possibility of a repeat of the incident in September 2008, which delayed the run of the machine by over a year. And this means cutting open of many thousands of interconnects in the machine between all the magnets, doing the work and then resealing everything up. However, that's a very, very large job, one of the main jobs for LHC, but it's not the only job in LS1.
Le long arrêt technique, qu'on appelle long LS1, a été la consolidation de toutes les interconnexions entre les aimants. Ça, c'était pourquoi on a voulu le faire. Mais aussi, on s'est aperçu que la machine LHC est une machine supraconductrice avec des grandes constantes de temps. Donc, on a pris la décision d'opérer cette machine durant 3 ans, 2010, 2011, 2012, avec des arrêts très courts, 12-13 semaines, pendant lesquels on n'avait pas de temps de faire la maintenance aussi bien du LHC que des injecteurs. Et on va en profiter, on a allongé ce long shutdown pour pouvoir faire la maintenance globale de tous les équipements des injecteurs du LHC.
In LS1, we will also be installing a lot of shielding, moving a lot of electronics to be sure that the machines and everything are ready to restart in 2014 and 2015 for the second run of the LHC at essentially top energy.
Les équipes impliquées dans le long shutdown, d'une part pour la réparation des interconnexions de LHC, ce sont environ 250-260 personnes qui vont travailler durant 14 mois dans l'anneau, qui vont aller comme des trains, qui vont aller tout autour de la machine. Mais si on regarde globalement le long shutdown, il y a 800 à 850 personnes supplémentaires du personnel du CERN qui vont venir travailler. Il faut dire aussi que pendant ce temps-là, les détecteurs ont aussi beaucoup de travail de maintenance de leurs détecteurs et aussi du système de computing. Donc je pense qu'on peut dire que tous les départements du CERN sont concernés par le long arrêt technique.